If the battery on your small engine keeps draining, here are the two most probable causes. When the engine is running, the alternator sends alternating current to the voltage regulator, which converts the voltage to direct current to send to the battery to keep the battery charged. If the voltage regulator is defective, the battery won't receive the proper voltage and will drain quickly. You can replace the voltage regulator with a new one to solve the problem. A malfunctioning alternator can also prevent the proper voltage from reaching the battery. You can use a multimeter to test the alternator for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the part. If the alternator tests negative for continuity, it will need to be replaced. Both the voltage regulator and alternator are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your small engine.